Okay, folks. So the one I'm gonna do another part model with you, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So we're gonna make the window sill here. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go through that with you now. So go back, hit the plus down the bottom right, and window sill. I'll call it window sill 2. So I've made it already. Okay. This time we're going to draw the side of the windowsill, and then we're going to pull it one way. Okay, so we're going to extrude it sideways. So we're actually going to draw the profile of it on the right plane. So I'm going to hit the pencil, start a new sketch, select our plane or a face, hit the right plane, just tap that, and I'm going to go and start with the line function, the line sketch tool, top left here, tap the line. Okay. Now I've drawn a line there, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to undo. I just want to look directly at my right plane there. So up, we can tap the screen, hit the screen with our 2 fingers and press view normal to sketch plane. Or up here in the top right, we can tap the cube and then go down and tap right. I'm going to hide all the planes here. Again, hit the eyeball, and it just has my sketch plane open. So I'm going to tap the line tool. It's on the top here now because we just open it, right? So I'm going to tap that and tap the screen, hold my finger down till it goes over that point there. That's the middle of the screen, right? That's where all the planes cross over. It's called the origin. It's a good idea to start all your sketches at that point. All right, so I'm going to move it there, let go, and then I'm going to come over here, let go. Right now, if I tap the screen again, the tool is still open and it's going to continue from that point where I finished the last line. So I can just tap the screen and then move this straight up. So that's going to snap to where it's vertical. See, when I move this across, it snaps to make it vertical. So we want a vertical line there. Let go. I'm going to come back at an angle. So draw the rough outline of the shape. Tap up here. And then we're going to tap the screen and hold. Make a vertical line. Tap and hold. And then see the way it snaps down to make it horizontal like that. Alright, as we drag it down, if we move it up to make it horizontal, it snaps. And bring it across to make it in line with the bottom right there. And an orange line will come up to tell us that it's in line, and it kind of snaps to that point. Let go, and again tap the screen, and then snap it to make it vertical, and then bring it down to there. Okay, so that's the rough shape there. So double tap the screen anywhere to get out of that now. Okay, did that get out? It's still highlighted there. So if that doesn't work, just press, see up the top there where the line is highlighted, tap that. Now it's not highlighted, and you're out of it. You're still in the sketch, but you're just out of that tool. Okay, so a few little things to do here. Again, I'm going to look straight at it. So tap the screen with 2 fingers, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, we're going to go to the pencil again, and we're going to go sketch fillet, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 down and across to the right. See it there, sketch fillet. Tap that. Now tap the screen and hold. Highlight that point exactly there, and we're going to make that 8. Do the same, tap the screen, hold, and do the same there. Now, because it's already set at 8, that one automatically went to 8, and that's correct. Okay, get out of that by double tapping the screen anywhere, and it deselects the sketch fillet. Okay, now go into the pencil again. We're going to put dimensions on this. Actually, before we do that, one last thing to add. Hit the pencil, then go to center point circle is on the top line across 4. Hit that. Now I'm going to put one down here. Tap the screen and hold. And move this to about there. And then tap the screen anywhere at all, close enough to it. Draw a circle about that size. Okay, doesn't really matter what size it is, we'll dimension that. Don't make it too big or too small. Right, now, tap the screen anywhere. Double tap the screen anywhere, to get out of the circle tool. I'm going to go pencil again, and I'm going to trim. I'm going to cut something here. So find the image with the scissors. It's over on the left there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Tap that. Now, again, tap the screen and hold, and move it across that part. Tap screen and hold, and move it across that line. Tap screen and hold. Tap screen and hold again. That line. Okay, so that's what we want. Right, that's the shape of it. That's the profile of the windowsill. Now we want to add our measurements. Okay, when I'm adding measurements and dimensions, it's a good practice to start with the smallest size. Right, I just want to get out of this trim now. See the way the scissors highlighted on top? Double tap the screen anywhere, and you're out of that. Okay, go into pencil. Go down to dimension, you know where that is now? Down there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 down, and then across the right. Now, I'm going to start off by doing the smallest one, which is, tap the screen and hold, which is the circle here. Tap the number. And that there is radius 8. Click green. Alright, tap the screen, hold. So I'm going to go through these a bit quicker now because you know how to do this. Tap the number. That there is 30. Tap the screen, hold. Now you can move the number across to get out of your way. You can just tap it and hold it and drag it out. Then you can tap it. Hit the green arrow. Tap and hold. That's 130. Tap and hold. Okay, now I don't want to measure that line. I want to measure the whole thing, right? See the way it's stopping when it gets to the circle. So go over here, highlight that point, tap and hold, and highlight this point. And it measures the whole length. That disappeared in me. I don't know what happened there. Let me try that again. The dimension disappeared at the top, so I need to highlight the dimension tool to see the top there. Highlight like that. That there is 270. Bring that number down. Oh yeah, last measurement is from there. See the way part of it is still blue, just this part here is blue, the rest is black. That means that all the measurement, nearly all the measurements have been added. Just missing one there. Tap the number. And that there is, okay, I need you to measure to the middle of that. Cancel that. Okay, I want to undo. I'm going to dimension again. I want to go from the middle of that and over to here. Now I want to make that 20. Alright, and that's my, you can pull some of these measurements out of your way just to make it look a bit neater in your sketch. That's the sketch finished. Okay, get out of that by double tapping. Just get out of the dimension tool, double tap the screen anywhere. Okay. Now we just make it 3D and we're finished. Hit the sphere, hit extrude. Now I'm just going to zoom out and rotate so I see what I'm doing. And I want it to go both sides of the of the right plane there, right? Rather than blind, if I hit blind there, I can make it symmetrical. And it moves both sides of that plane. Okay, and then the measurement there, hit the depth, tap 25, and I make that 750. And then hit the arrow beside extrude 1. And that's your windowsill complete. And again, you can change the appearance and stuff. And the same way as I talked about the cavity block down the bottom left there. Okay.